Hi, it's Maggie. We all know that there are 3 hills in Redmond. The first one is Education Hill, which is like very family-friendly, a lot of older homes, but quite affordable. And then there's Union Hill, where we have a lot of homes with bigger land, right? And then English Hill is where we are today. There are a lot of luxurious homes in this area. So the community that we're in today was built by Pouty Homes in 2013. There are 28 homes in this community. And then English Hill is conveniently located 15 minutes away from Kirkland, Woodinville, and Redmond downtown. And then the school district is one of the best in the area as well. The elementary is Clara Barton, and then Redmond Middle and Redmond High. The test scores for all those schools are 10 out of 10, which is amazing. And this home that I'm going to show you today is actually our newest listing in this community. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and the square footage is over 3,100. Let's go and check it out. Okay, coming through the front door, the first thing that you notice is this 8 feet front door. I think, it's really sturdy and it's a good design, the glass door design, which is very catchy here. And then on this side, this is their office, French door, and then big window where you can actually see the view of the community. I like the size of it, and then the ceiling height is around 9 feet as well. And coming this way, they have hardwood on the first floor, and then next to this office, there is this guest bathroom that actually has a shower. So if you actually have a guest that needs an extra bathroom, this is a great option. It has tiles all over the place, pretty luxurious for a guest bathroom as well. And then coming this way, this is their main living area. And the first thing you will notice is this huge island in this kitchen. And this is probably one of my favorite spots in this house. Everything, there are a lot of storage area, and I like the design of the granite counter with the dark color cabinet. I think it really matches. The storage doesn't stop here, actually goes all the way on this wall, and there is a little desk area where your kid can do homework here. Great design. And then this is their formal dining area, great lights. And then on that side, this is an open concept family room. The focal point of that is a gas fireplace. It has the very simple design, the white and the black stone. I really like how modern it feels. And then through the patio door here, let's take a look at the deck. So I've seen a lot of homes in this area, and it's really hard to find a home, in this kind of community where you don't need to look at the neighbor's windows in your backyard. And I really like to enjoy the view here. And this is a great spot for party and for coffee. I think this is where you get really comfortable. So there are 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. This is the primary. When you come in, you can actually feel the ceiling height is pretty good. It's like 10 feet, and then windows on both sides. And then through this window, you can see that the privacy is pretty good because this home actually sits away from other homes. So from this window, you don't look at the neighbor's windows, which is great. And then on the other side, this is the primary bathroom. So it's tiles on the floor, counter, and then shower and bathtub. So it has everything. And then it does have this pretty soft color theme. In this way, This is not a very big walk-in closet, but it has all the California closet all installed for your convenience. So to the opposite of the primary bedroom, they actually have this balcony kind of design. And from this side, you can see the foyer of the front door. And it is actually a 2-floor high ceiling design, which has really good natural light. And then they put in the new carpet on this floor. Here is a laundry room. On the second floor, this is close to the bedroom, so very convenient. And then coming this way, this is one of their guest bedrooms. I really like the design of the bedrooms here because sitting in the community, the one thing that you want is to be a little bit further away from the neighbors. So through this window and the window from the primary bedroom, it's great privacy. You have this space between the neighbors. And that's why this home is really bright. And this house actually has a pretty big bonus room and a bedroom and a bathroom on the basement level. So a lot of basement, they are dark and the ceiling height is not ideal. But this house actually, because it sits pretty high on the ground, so it has pretty good natural light. And then also the ceiling height is over 9 feet. So you can feel like this is just a room that you can use, right? You can use it as an entertaining room, bonus room. And then going this way, this is a huge bedroom. I feel like this is even bigger than the guest bedrooms on the second floor. You can fit in a lot of furniture in this bedroom. And then through this door, this is their walk-in closet. And then there's also a bathroom with a shower right on this side. I really like the floor plan of the home and how bright, the home is. A lot of natural light, great community, great school district. We're about to put it on the market. The offering price is $2.2 million. If you're interested, we're going to have open houses during the weekend. Come and join us, and I hope you like the house. See you next time.